Okay, very good. Are you done? Okay, very good. And now we will have our activity. Activities. The objective is to develop the speaking skills visual presentation. So the instruction of this is you should be divided into 2 groups. So you have to cut this. Okay, do you have an idea what is our topic tonight, Miss Luna? Okay, thank you. But before that is we will have our topic for tonight. It's all about the proposition. So we will have the learning objectives. So at the end of the lesson, the students will be able to define the preposition and identify the function of a sentence. So you should be define the types of preposition in place, time, and direction. So use preposition correctly end the sentence. So when we say preposition is a function of words we use to connect a noun and pronoun. In the other words, in the sentence, we use this as preposition. So the preposition is very important to have when we have communicating with our friends or our classmates. We use preposition. So we will have the example of preposition in the use of object or a person or inside. So the example of this is she is beautiful in or out. Okay, the next is on. This is used to show the position that is above. Okay, the next is under. It's used to show the position that is lower than given. So the example of this is your phone is under the chair. Okay, very good. So do you have any question, clarification to our discussion in the proceed? Okay, very good. If none. And now we will have an activity. This activity is you have to do is to identify the preposition. So we will have the objectives. To define the preposition and sentence, you have to enhance an understanding of your use. So we will have the instruction. You should be divided into 2 groups, and each group will read the sentence, and the one student from each group is you will be presented. So the sentence, so the number 1 is the egg is on the nest. So what is the preposition of this? Yes, the preposition of this is in. The number 2 is the girl is under the tree. What is the preposition of this? Yes, the preposition of this is under. The number 3 is above is in the box. What preposition of this? Yes, in. Number 4, the ball is on the box. What preposition of this? Okay, in. The slipper are under the bed. What preposition of this? Yes, under. So, did you understand, class? Okay, are you done? Okay, very good. So, since we are done, so please everyone to clap our hands because everyone is participating. And now we will have the activity. The next activity is preposition and language learning. So we will have the objectives. So you have to do is to explore the role of preposition and effective language in using the understanding. Okay, so we will have the instruction. So please read. So in your body is usually have 250 words. So you have to do is to discuss how preposition contribute to a sentence. the sentence using the preposition. Okay? And I will post this one in our Google Classroom. Do you have any question, clarification to our discussion? Okay, if not,